How to check following lists on Snapchat. To see who follows you or check the accounts you follow on Snapchat, you will need to look in different section of your profile. So simply open application first. Now go to your camera section and then tap on the plus friend icon at the top. Then simply tap on the three horizontal dots, and at the end you'll find friends that you have recently added, and simply tap on there, and here you'll be able to see if you have any Snapchatters or subscription that you have recently added. But if you want to check who follows you, simply head back and again return to your camera screen, and finally tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner. Then scroll to the friends section, and just below add friends there is a my friend list. Simply tap on my friends. Now this displays everyone who recently added you. If you have a public profile, you can also see your subscriber count directly on your profile card. And that's it guys. In this way you'll be able to check your following list on Snapchat. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.